If you're looking to sign out or completely remove your OneDrive account from your Android device, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log out of OneDrive safely and easily, whether you need a little digital detox, want to switch accounts, or just make your device tidy and more secure. Let's get right into it. So first things first, go ahead and open your OneDrive app on your Android phone or tablet. If you're not sure, it's the blue cloud icon, just tap to launch it. Now make sure you're inside your OneDrive account before you move forward. You should see your files, recent documents, photos, all that good stuff. If you're seeing a sign-in screen, you might already be signed out, so double-check that you're in the right place. Now what you want to do is look towards the top right or top left corner of the screen for your account icon. This usually appears as either your profile photo if you've added one, or as a circle with your initials. Just tap on that account icon. It's like opening the door to all your account settings. Taking a moment here, I know sometimes these icons can be pretty tiny, so if you have to squint for a second or swipe the interface to reveal it, that's perfectly normal. After you tap your account icon, you'll see a menu slide open. This is where you can manage all sorts of account details. Don't worry if there's lots of information here, we're looking for a specific option. Scroll down the menu if you need to, and you'll see an option that says Sign Out towards the bottom. Sometimes it might be a little further down than you expect, especially if you have a few accounts linked or if you haven't updated the app for a while. Go ahead and tap Sign Out. The app might ask you if you're sure you want to sign out or remove your account. This is just to make sure you didn't tap by mistake. OneDrive doesn't want you to lose any access to your files. It might take a moment for the app to process this, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow or if you have a lot of files syncing. Give it a few seconds, don't worry if there's a tiny delay. And that's it, you've now signed out of your OneDrive account on Android. You'll return to the sign-in screen, and your account will be removed from this device. This means none of your files or folders are accessible from this device unless you sign in again. So for example, if you share your device with someone else, this is a great way to keep your documents private and secure. Just a quick tip, signing out won't delete anything from your cloud storage. All your files and photos are still safe in your OneDrive account. You can access them anytime by signing in from another device or from your computer. If you ever want to sign back in, just open the app, enter your credentials, and you'll be good to go. That's the whole process. Simple, straightforward, and a really good habit to get into if you value your privacy. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop your question in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.